This is going to be your second lab for the semester. We're going to go ahead and dive right in and start in your theory book, the homework that we had just started, or that we did, I guess, yesterday. And we're going to start on page 10. So if you want to get out your books, you can follow along, or you can just listen, however you want to, however you think is best. Ready? S T P H S K W R H P T S R W K S. We'll keep going. S T S K P W H R H P T S R W K S. You can see this one's up here. You guys can follow along if you need to. Don't use it as a crutch. Once you think you have it under your fingers, just kind of close your eyes or find a focal point on the ground and try not to use this too much, okay? We'll do those two again a little faster. S T P H S K W R H P T S R W K S. S T S K P W H R H P T S R W K S. We'll move on, adding that O and A. Ready? O, A, S, T, P, H, S, K, W, R, A, O, H, P, T, S, S, T, A, S, T, O, K, W, A, K, W, O, P, A, O, T. Okay, so when we do some of these dictation in the book, I'm going to ask you guys to read back. You can read back from your screen if you would like. However, if you want to be hooked up, you can also read back from here. Obviously, you can read back in this line format. Sometimes that's kind of odd. And you can skip a letter or something like that. You can also scroll over your vertical notes, and using your computer keyboard, you can scroll up and down. So when I say mark your notes, make sure you do PF, PF, PF a few times so that after you do your dictation, then you can come back and scroll up to where you have that PF, or you can click on it on the English side, and then you can use your down and up arrow, S, T, P, H, and that's what you're going to read back from, okay? So with that in mind, however you guys feel more comfortable, we're going to do this one for read back. Okay, so mark your notes. PF, PF, PF. Ready? S, T, P, H, S, K, W, R. H, P, T, S, R, W, K, S. So now go ahead and click back up on where your PFs were. Click in the vertical notes, and then you can read back your notes. And go ahead and take a second and do that, okay? Read aloud. I know it kind of feels silly, but read aloud to yourself, okay? Go ahead. Okay, that should be enough time. So we'll go ahead and move on. We'll do the next set a little bit faster. This is the third set down. It starts with AH, okay? Ready? A, H, R, P, W, T, K, O, S, R, O, R, A, H, A, W, S, T, P, H, A, O, S, K, W, R, A, O, P, H, T, S. We'll do that same set a little faster. Ready? A, H, R, P, W, T, K, O, S, R, O, R, A, H, A, W, S, T, P, H, A, O, S, K, W, R, A, O, P, H, T, S. Sorry about that. I made a little mistake in there. I put an A instead of an O. So let's go ahead and keep going. We'll go on to that fourth set. Ready? A little bit slower. O, A, R, W, K, S, T, O, K, A, P, O, W, A, H, O, W, S, T, O A H P K. R S O A T H W R. Do that a little bit faster. Take a break if you need to. Ready? O A R W K S T O K A P O W A H O W S T O A H P K. R S O A T H W R. Okay, go ahead and mark your notes. We'll do this one for read back. Ready? O A R W K S T O K A P O W A H O. So go ahead and click on where your PF is. Click on your vertical notes, and you can scroll through and read those. O A R. Go ahead and read them out loud. Take a second and do that. Okay, so this is going to seem kind of silly at first, especially for this exercise, because obviously you're just reading one letter. But when you get to the next couple lessons, when you're learning F, G, M, and N, it's important that you're going through and reading those notes so that you see a TP, not as a TP, but as an F, so that you learn to read that steno, okay? So when we do the read back, I know it's a little silly for this lesson, but I just want you guys to get used to it so that you know the software and how you're going to be doing your read back, okay? So let's go through. I'm going to do that entire section a little bit faster. This is going to be for endurance, so just hang on as best you can, okay? Ready? S, T, P, H, S, K, W, R, H, P, T, S, R, W, K, S, S, T, S, K, P, W, H, R, P, T, S, R, W, K, S, O, A, S, T, P, H, S, K, W, R, A, O, H, P, T, S, S, T, A, S, T, O, K, W, A, K, W, O, P, A, O, T, A, H, R, P, W, T, K, O, S, R, O, R, A, H, A, W, S, T, P, H, A, O, S, K, W, R, A, O, P, H, T, S, O, A, R, W, K, S, T, O, K, A, P, O, W, A, H, O, W, S, T, O, A, H, P, K, R, S, O, A, T, H, W, R. So that one was pretty quick. And you guys will have access to these videos and to the recordings. So if you feel that that last section was a little bit too fast, go back, do the slower sections again until you get more comfortable, and then try this section again and find the little accomplishments. Keep going down the road until, oh hey, STPHK whatever is going to be no big deal for you guys. Okay, so we'll do another read back, and I won't tell you which one it is. Ready? Mark your notes. Ready? W, S, T, O, A, H, P, K, R, S, O, A, T, H, W, R. Go ahead and take a second and read that one back to yourself. Okay, this is going to be over. We're going to start back over on the next page. This is page 11. I'm going to go over section 2-2. This is going to be over the final side of your keyboard. So you have your keyboard here. Let me see if I can show you this easier, so we can see that a little easier. So this is your final side. When we refer to your final side, it's your right-hand side of the keyboard. So you're going to have that big key in the middle. That's your asterisk key. Whenever we refer to that, that's the asterisk key. And if you hit it, it comes out as that little star. Then right next to that is where you want to make sure that you have your pointer finger on your right-hand side. So it's F, P, L, T. So if you have your pinky on that D, then all of your stuff is going to come out wrong, and it's not going to translate right. So you want to make sure that you always start with your pointer finger on that F. So before you you're going to get to the point where you're so used to the feel of the keyboard that it's going to feel wrong if you're set up in the wrong position. But for now, just go ahead and make sure that your first finger is on that F. You can even hit it. Just make sure that it's the F. And then your thumb just rests on top of those two vowel keys there. And so we'll go over pretty slow on that final side of the keyboard, okay? Ready? F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, T, L, P, F, R, B, G, S, S, G, B. The next line. F, R, P, B, L, G, T, S, R, F, B, P, G, L, S, T, L, P, F. Okay, take a break for a second. Ready? We're going to add the E and the U. Okay? We'll go a little bit slower. Ready? E, F, U, R, B, G, S, E, U, F, P, L, T, U, S, G, B, R, E. So I don't know if you guys can see on my notes, when I hit these two letters together, especially on that ring finger, on your G and your L, those are the ones that you're, we call it a stacking or shadowing. So that G is shadowing down into the next stroke, or the L is shadowing into the next stroke. So, you know, if you were on your paper notes, you would see a really strong T with a little shadow of an L right next to it because it was dragged down from the stroke before it. Once you get your fingers a little bit stronger and a little bit more dexterity, you're going to start to see those kind of go away. So just try and make those as clear as possible for now, where you're only hitting one key and you're really isolating what you're trying to do with the L and the T, okay? And the G and the S. So we'll do that next line there, starting with the T. Ready? T, S, E, U, L, E, G, U, P, E, F, R, P, B, L. We'll move on to the next one. Ready? E, F, U, R, P E B U, G E T F, G U S R U T G. We'll do that last line, that last one that we just did, a little bit faster, okay? Ready? E F U R P E B U, G E T F, G U S R U T G. Let's move on to the next one. T S L G E P B U, F R S E U S E T R E F. Go ahead and mark your notes. PF, PF, PF. And you do that one again for read back. Ready? T S L G E P B U, F R S E U S E T R E F. So again, find your last PF, click on your notes, and then you can scroll down and read that back. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Okay, so we'll keep going and do that last line there. Ready? B L G F R T P E T U S F G T E R U B T. Okay, we'll do that one a little bit faster. Ready? B L G F R T P E T U S F G T E R U B T. Okay, we'll go ahead and group them up into sets of 2 and we'll try them a little bit faster, okay? We'll start at the top. F P L T R B G S T L P F R B G S S G B F R P B L G T S R F B P G L S T L P F. The next group, E F U R B G S E U F P L T U S G B R E T S E U L E G U P E F R U E F R P B L. Take a break for a second. We'll do that next set. Ready? T U P E F L E G U R S L G T E S U B R E F U R P E B G E T F G U S R U T G. The last set, ready? T S L G E P B U F R S E U S E T R E F B L G F R T P E T U S F G T E R U B T. Okay, so that was a little fast. We'll do another one for read back. Do PF, PF, PF. Ready? T S L G E P B U F R S E U S E T R E F. Let's go ahead and take a second and find your PF in your notes. Click on your vertical notes, and then you can read back from there, okay? Okay, so that should be enough time. That's usually the setup that we'll do for these classes or for the labs. As far as speed goes, so I'll do them, especially starting out at kind of a slower speed, more like the speed that you're kind of comfortable at. Then we're going to start pushing it a little bit more, and then get to the verge where you're pretty uncomfortable. You may even be dropping a little bit, and then I'll bring it back down to that medium speed. So let's say you're at a 20 words per minute. Then we're going to do a 30, a 40, depending on where you're at, maybe even a 50, and then we'll drop it back down to 30, and 30 is going to feel super comfortable, like you're not going to have any problems with it at all. And then the next time, we'll start at 30, 40, 50, maybe 60, and then once you're back down to 40, and that's how you guys are going to gain your speed. We're going to be speed building as well as teaching you the theory. So it's a multi-directional that we're hitting you with all these new different things. If I'm going a little bit too fast, please email me and let me know. Slow it down a little bit, and we'll make a little bit of a wider spectrum of speed for those that are maybe struggling with that lesson, and for those who already have it and want to be pushed a little bit and go a little bit faster. And yeah, it's gonna feel uncomfortable, especially at first, but just stick with it. Do these, go back to these pages 10 and 11, because this is really the foundation. You really need to have these under your fingers so that when we get into the more complicated stuff, that it's not going to be a problem at all. You're just going to know where that T is, and you're just going to hit it the first time, and it's not going to be a problem. Again, if you guys have any questions or concerns, you can email me, call the lab. I'm happy to help you guys out. Just to end it, let's end it a little bit faster, and we're going to we'll go back to the initial side. So if you want to go back to page 10, this is going to be your left-hand side. Ready? S, T, P, H, S, K, W, R, H, P, T, S, R, W, K, S, O, A, S, T, P, H, S, K, W, R A O H P T S. A H R P W T K O S R O R A H A W S T P H A O S K W R A O P H T S. Sorry about that. O A R W K S T O K A P O W A H O W S T O A H P K R S O A T H W R. Okay, that's going to be your lab for today. Like I said, any questions you guys have, please feel free to email us. And if not, we'll see you guys tomorrow.